If Lightroom is giving you a sign-in error or a login failed message, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, you should be able to sign back in and get Lightroom working again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Adobe sign-in errors happen. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network, and if possible, reconnect to your router or switch to a stronger connection. If your internet is fine, the next thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. Adobe Login can sometimes fail when a VPN changes your location or blocks authentication. So fully disable your VPN, close any proxy tools, and then try signing in again. If that still doesn't work, sign out of Adobe and sign back in. Open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer, sign out of your Adobe account, then restart your computer. After it boots back up, open Creative Cloud again and sign in with the same account you use for Lightroom. This refreshes your login session and can fix temporary account issues. Now for the important step, clearing the Adobe cache. First, close all Adobe apps, including Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Then open File Explorer and go to this location on your PC, c:\users\yourname\appdata\local\adobe/OOBE. Inside that folder, you may find cached login files that can cause sign-in problems. Delete or rename the OOBE folder contents carefully, then restart your computer and try logging in again. This step is especially useful if Lightroom keeps looping on the sign-in screen or shows a login failed error, even after reinstalling. After restarting, open Adobe Creative Cloud one more time and sign in. Then launch Lightroom and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue immediately. If not, you may need to check for Adobe updates or make sure your account subscription is active. But for most users, stable internet, turning off VPN, signing out and back in, and clearing the Adobe cache are the fastest solutions. If this tutorial helped you fix the Lightroom sign-in error, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.